Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on, and welcome back for another one on the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. If you are a first timer, then welcome to the channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. This is the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. If you are new here, we are going to change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. Okay, if you're struggling with your strategy now, if you're new to trading, if you're new to the strat, if you're struggling with any of it, we are going to take you from where you are to where you want and need to be. But the very first thing I need you guys to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and hit that bell. That bell is important. It gives you the notifications for when I send out the videos just like this one every single day for free, guys. For free. Every day I send out these watch lists. This is our top 5 watch list for Monday, August 15th. We have on this channel over 300 videos to teach you guys how to trade this strategy, the strat. Okay, we go through everything from entries to exits, how to manage your trade. I know that's what people struggle with the most, is how to exit the trade, how to manage that trade. I have review video upon review video that shows you exactly how we do this. Okay, where we enter, where we exit, how do we exit. This strategy, the candlesticks tell the story. They tell you exactly what to do, and you're going to see that as we go through this top 5 watch list. If you're on Twitter, I'm there too. You can find me at Mr. Clark Griswold. So go ahead, give me a follow there. If you have questions or comments that you want to make, you can DM me there. You can tweet at me. I send out tweets every day on different trade setups. I do the same thing in my Discord. There's a link in the description below for the Discord. Go join it. 95% of what on that Discord is free. There is a few private rooms, live trading bot room. You can find anything that I have to offer that's free or fee-based can be found on that Discord. Whether it's merchandise, the Griswold Strat Indicator, which cannot be found in the indicator tab of TradingView, okay? You have to go to the Discord. There's a link in the description below for it, or you can find it on Twitter. But I live trade on that Discord. Everything you need is there from me. I even slap on the YouTube videos there as well, okay? A few things before we get started here. Number one, TradingView is this charting platform that I use. If you don't have a platform to use, or you're interested in looking for one, or you've never used TradingView before, there's a link in the description below. That link will give you a free 30-day trial to TradingView, okay? So if you've never used TradingView before and you want to try out their subscription-based services, I think there's 3 options. You can go try them for free for 30 days. And then if you decide to use one, you get up to $30 off of that description if you're using that link in the description below. Subscription. I think I said description. Subscription. Up to $30 off, depending on which one you choose. The other thing I want to go through, guys, is the ads. I know they suck. Those ads are what pay for these YouTube videos to be free for you guys. So for my time and what I put into this and giving these to you guys for free, I asked you guys one thing in advance, and in return is to let those ads roll through. So go get a drink, go get a snack, let the ads roll through, and then we can come back and rock through the top 5. And I thank you in advance very much for doing that. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's get started on this top 5. NEO is the first one. I didn't have this on the main watch list. Okay, so NEO had a 2 down that finished green. Okay, so I am going to look for NEO to, let's find this second target. I'm going to look for NEO to have a 2 up reversal. Where is my second target? Is that way up there? Wow. Way up there. Is that our monthly target? Are we still trading? We're trading inside month on NEO. Look at that. Trying to break outside of that inside bar for the month on NEO. Right now we're sitting at a double inside bar. I think we probably break to the high side on NEO. We'll see what happens though. So we have our second target is the trigger for us to go 2 up on the month for NEO. Okay, so we're going to go look for calls on NEO with this 2 down that finished green. We're going to go look for a 2 up. Time frame continuity outside of the quarter and the year, basically the month, is green. We don't know what the day and the week are going to show us, so we'll have to wait to see what happens on Monday. But triggers at 21.16, first targets at 21.96. I love NEO because NEO's got tight spreads between the bid and the ask, and it moves fast. It gets some really, really good runs on it, and that's part of the reason why I like Neo so much. These are in no particular order, by the way, guys. They are what they are. They're the top 5, and stay tuned past that top 5 because I've got a couple bonus plays for you guys as well. So inside bar on AMD, calls at 101.40, puts at 98.48. First target to the upside is the trigger for the weekly to go 2 up on the week outside of the inside bar. We go to the weekly. There's our inside bar on the week. We're looking to break out of that. So if we trigger to the upside on the day and hit targets, we are triggering to the upside on the week and looking to hit targets as well throughout the week. So pay attention to that on AMD. If we trigger to the downside at 98.48, first target at 98.01, second and third target is actually your trigger for the weekly to the downside. We're going to look for this thing to trend up though. CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines, inside bar. So we've been trending up. There's a little bit of a consolidation here, and we should look for this to continue back to the upside. The month is still inside. I know this because the Griswold Strat indicator gives me this yellow circle around the month. So if I go to the month, it's going to show me an inside bar. There we go, inside bar, and we are looking to break through this inside bar. So a 2 down, 1, 2 up. I think we probably hit that on Carnival. We are closer to going 2 up than we are 2 down. And I want to show you something that CyberDog has started to do just to show you guys exactly what we're looking for here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. We'll do this, and I'll show you guys basically what we're looking for on this. What you're looking for is if we're going 2 up on this off of the inside bar, this is basically what we're looking for on Monday. Okay, something like that. So that candle doesn't exist, but that's basically what we're looking for. We're looking for it to hit this trigger and hit targets and any other targets. And if we pass this blue line, we've just gone 2 up on the month. So Carnival would be a 2 up on the month, 2 down, as we saw here, right? 2 down. Oh, sorry, that's the week. Let's go to the month. 2 down, inside bar, 2 up. 2, 1, 2 reversal on CCL is what we're looking for this month. Is it possible that it goes to the other direction? Yes, it is, and that's exactly what it would look like if it goes to the other direction. Triggered, targets, targets, okay? That's basically what a candle would look like opening up on Monday. Just so you guys have a visual of how it's going to play out. So next up is Activision. I'm not totally into this play just because of I don't think the spreads between the bid and the ask are fantastic, but it is a triple inside bar, so I want to pay attention to it. And then we've also got the breaks here for the weekly triggers, okay? So something to pay attention to. If you guys want to play it, awesome. I'm just not sure it's something that I'm going to play, but I will be watching it because I'm always intrigued by how these inside bars, double inside bars, and triple inside bars are going to play out. So it'll be an interesting one nonetheless. Meta or Facebook is up next. So META has an inside bar. Okay, we're going to look for calls at 181.46, puts at 178.90, and we have our targets marked out on either side of this thing. So we can look for Meta to break either side, either direction. I would like it to see it go to the upside. We are in a current upward trend, and we have this broadening formation. Okay, so let's look at this. Higher highs to lower lows to higher highs to lower lows, sure. Back up, come back down, back up, tagged. Didn't come back down all the way. We're going to look to come back and tag the top of this. So again, we can draw a weekly broadening formation anywhere here, okay? We can do this. And then we can do that. Okay? It's that simple. Higher highs to lower lows. We'll see if we come back to the higher highs. You can do it on the month as well. Okay? So how are we drawing this on the month? We We can draw that. And we can draw that. There you go. Lower lows to higher highs to lower lows. We'll see if Facebook can come back up. This is the weekly one that we just drew. Okay? That's the top of your weekly one that we had just drawn. So we go into the week. There it is. And the baseline, the bottom, is basically still the same as the monthly. Okay? And there you have it. Higher highs to lower lows. We'll see if we can trend back to the upside. That's what we're looking for. That's what I'm looking for on Facebook. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. They could very well trend back down through the bottom side, but we'll see what happens, okay? What do we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Metas 5. Let's go into some bonus plays. Procter & Gamble. Outside bar, inside bar setup. I had to have one of these on there. Is it going to work out? I don't know. But we can look for calls at 146.73, first target marked. Puts at 144.98. I'd like to see this thing trend to the upside. If we want to go to the month, and we can draw just this. That's all we're doing. Higher high to a higher high. There you go. Low to a high to a low. Let's see this thing ramp back up to the upside. But we'll see what happens, okay? If we go to the daily, this gets a little messy with these lines. So realistically, I would like to take some of them out. But we will leave them as they are for now. Okay, that's Procter & Gamble. We'll zoom in here again for you. The 3-1 setup. Outside bar, inside bar. You want to go back in time and look? Let's go back in history and look at the last time we had a 3-1. Double outside bars. Where's the next one? There's one. Outside bar, inside bar. Great play. Right? Triggered. And this is what I was saying, guys. When I said the candlesticks tell a story, okay? Pretend these candles here haven't opened yet. We're just looking at this inside bar as the last candle. There's your trigger. There's your target. This candle right here is saying, listen to the story, guys. When I break to the bottom side, you're going to buy me. When I hit the targets, which is the bottom of the preceding wick, you're going to sell me. And if you would have done that, you would have had a great trade. You just need to listen to what the candlesticks are telling you to do. Okay? We'll go find one more outside-inside bar and see what happened on it. And then we will move on to one more bonus play. Okay, there it is. They don't happen very often. I have to go all the way back to September of 21. Outside bar, inside bar. Okay, we did not hit targets. Okay, we didn't. But we hit the trigger, and there was your target. There was some profit here. So again, you would have had to trigger. You hop down to the 5, the 15, the 30, and you look for the reversal to get out of the trade. Guys, in order for us to be successful traders, our job is to manage our risk. That's how we win at trading. We manage our risk. And if you aren't willing to manage your risk and get out of trades when you're supposed to, when things reverse, the way we teach, you're going to lose money, and you're going to lose a lot of it. Okay? Your job as a trader, if you can manage your risk and manage your trades, you will become successful. You'll be a successful trader, but you need to accept, number one, that you have losses, and number two, you need to manage that risk when you have those losses. Because when you let those winners run and you let the candle stop you out, and if you want to know what I mean, go check any of my review videos. We let the candlesticks stop us out. We let the targets stop us out. Okay? Go back and look at any of those videos, and you will understand exactly how we trade this stuff. Last play, guys. Chewy. CHWI. 2-2 reversal. Okay? 2 down. Green. Hammer candle. Calls 50.11. Targets at 51.87. Let's see. I don't have a broad information on here, but let's draw one together. If we go to the monthly. Hey, how are we going to do this? We could go way, way up here if we wanted. Okay, and we can draw these anywhere, guys. It doesn't matter. We can go from here to here, there. We can go from here to here. There you go. There's a broadening formation. Okay, you want to make it a little bigger? You want to do this one? There's another broadening formation. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm going to leave mine where I've got them. Then we can go to the week. Okay, we can draw one of these on the weekly. And how are we going to draw the weekly one? Here to there, sure. And I want to do it from here to there. There you go. There's your weekly. Okay? Lower lows to higher highs. Now, this doesn't mean that we aren't going to break right through this thing and continue back up higher. Okay? That's not at all what it means. Okay? We very well could, and then it is what it is. Realistically, we could come draw that. We can take this out. They're somewhat subjective. That's the thing, right? Higher highs to a higher high, and now you have your higher highs to your lower lows, back up to your higher highs. So again, we'll see what happens with Chewy. We have, if we go to the day, I remember we discussed this. Let's go through it one more time. I think it was a hammer candle. There it is, hammer candle. Okay, 2-2 reversal is what we're looking for. Calls at 50.11. I did go through this. Puts at 51.87. Guys, that is your top 5. Okay, good luck trading on Monday. If you're not following me on Twitter, go do it. If you're not subscribed down below, go do it. Make sure you're clicking that bell so you get the notifications. Grab that Discord. The link is in the description below. Go get on it. Join it. Let's learn and earn together. Good luck trading Monday, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.